Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Chief Electoral Officer ke Jylla, Dr. BDR Tiwari, Ulapentip baka Special Intensive Revision 8,800 jong Thep Kyrteng nong Thep vote, kelas dang ban pentrai kam ha keleng ke Jylla. Ha kaba, ki boot level officer ki lami, haman la ki thliu yim habaro kawai ke Jylla, ban sam ya ki Enumeration forms, na kabenta ban pentama ya ki Thep Kyrteng nong Thep vote. Habakren bagi nong thok khobor ha ka shitrik ubnai naitung 8,800 ha ka office tray kam ka jong u CEO uloong ba lasam yaki form EF komba shilak khat khandai hajar chispa ap khandai tli ha ka sining kong bat ka kanthop komba san pon not nyo percent na ka jingdon ki nong Thep vote ha ka Jylla kabalong apulai lak sau khandai hajar nrilspa sau pesan ngot ki palba kani ke jingpen kre ka balas dang na do ka lai pautrik ubnai Jylla kadkum ka program bala penbena dak Election Commission of India Kathmu ban pentikna babaro kinong song ki badai hok kin yo rung ha ka Thep Kyrteng Thep vote kat ba ye ki bam dei hok la weng no shu loong bana preng ki district ha ka Jylla ka South West Garo Hills kadai ka babun ha ka ba ki form kila sam kilong arpho point sau khandai percent vote sa ka North Garo Hills South Garo Hills bat ka West Garo Hills ha East Khas Hills kabudon buntam kinong Thep vote ha ka Jylla la sam hado arbu prahajar nrutli ki form kabagan thop ya sau point sau lai percent kinong Thep vote bat ka jing sam na ki yeng kan beteng hado ka arbu kandai trek ubnai naitung 8,800 ka office jong CEO kala kentu ya baro kinong Thep vote ki badai hok ban ai ka jing lang bat ki officer ka boot level ban pendap tikna ya ki form bat ban penpo ya ki hapo kapor balabu Kenang banyarap ban pentikna ya ki Thep Kyrteng nong Thep vote jong ka Jylla kindang long ki batikna ki bapura bat ki bayade bat ka juk momenta.
Special Intensive Revision 2026 already started in the state of Meghalaya and from 30th June 2026 till 29th July 2026 that will be the enumeration phase. So BLOs will visit house to house and this process is already ongoing. So in accordance with the program of SIR announced by Election Commission of India to ensure no eligible citizen is left out while no ineligible person is included in electoral roll. So booth level officer already started their house to house visit and total 3,551 booth level officers and in the 60 assembly segments of 12 districts and all 60 EROs with the 166 AEROs and 410 BLO supervisors, they are already engaged in this SIR process. And we in the Meghalaya have 23,49,645 electors and average elector per BLO is coming around 662. So on the first day, on 30th June 2026, total 1,19,129 enumeration forms were distributed, which is around 5.07% of total electorate. So among the districts, Southwest Garo Hills recorded the highest coverage yesterday with 20.49% of enumeration form distributed and followed by North Garo Hill with 10.25% and South Garo Hill 6.67%. And in the East Khasi Hill district, which is having largest electorate, distributed 28,000 enumeration form, accounting 4.43% of its electors as on 1st July 2026 at 3 p.m. So during this house to house phase, the enumeration forms which are printed with the present electors detail, so continued up to the 29th July and BLO will distribute in duplicate the enumeration form to each electors and he or she will collect back one filled enumeration form while giving acknowledgement on the second form. So during this phase, no supporting document for the identification etc. will be furnished and If elector is not present as his or her home and house is locked, so they will make 3 visits and they will slip the enumeration form to the house, and through the local authorities and volunteers, BLAs also they are trying to approach, so to ensure all the electors to cover. So alternatively, elector may fill and submit the enumeration form online during this enumeration phase of SIR through ECI Net mobile application available on the Google Play Store and Apple App Store also, and by visiting to our ECI's website, the http://ecinet.eci.gov.in homepage or voter service portal at http://voters.eci.gov.in. So even just to get the reference of the previous SIR's voter list as on 1st January 2005, which is already available with the BLO in the BLO app, and anybody would like to have access, they may visit the website of Chief Electoral Officer Meghalaya, which is http://co.meghalaya.nic.in on the ECI Net mobile application also, and then voter service portal, and then the legacy service role prepared during the last conducted also available with the booth level officer, as I already told. So whose name appear in the electoral roll of 2005 are advised to note the relevant particular name, their relatives name, means mother, father or spouse or grandparents, state name, district name, assembly segment, part number and serial number before filling up the enumeration form. And electors who have migrated from other state and settled in the district after 2005 may not find their names in the 2005 electoral roll of Meghalaya. Such electors are advised to search their details on the voter service portal at http://voters.eci.gov.in or through the ECI Net mobile application, and note the relevant particulars, namely name, relatives name, state name, district name, AC number, part number and serial number as available in the last SIR's electoral roll in his or her concerned state from where person has migrated, wherever they were previously registered as electors. So all electors are advised to keep the above information readily available while filling the enumeration form. So they may access to the websites given, and this will facilitate the accurate and hassle-free completion of the form. And all these information are available with the booth level officers through BLO app. So they will also try to in any problem they will facilitate all the electors. So during this phase, no supporting documents are required to be submitted along with the enumeration form. So they have to just fill the enumeration form and submit to the BLO, or fill and submit online. However, a recent passport size photo must be pasted on the enumeration form or uploaded while submitting the form through the ECI Net app online self enumeration facility. So in case where the names of the present elector does not appear in the legacy electoral roll 2005, but name of their parents or grandparent appear therein, the elector may furnish the relevant details of the such parent, grandparents in the enumeration form. So for any more information, electors may contact their respective BLOs, and name and contact detail of BLOs are displayed at respective polling stations, or they may get through the ECI Net app also, and then or they may book a call with the BLO. So, and this ECI Net app may be downloaded from the Google Play Store or Apple Play Store iOS platform, or there are the QR codes also given, and we did the larger publicity, so they may scan and download these ECI Net mobile app. So it will be very, very helpful, and all the ECI related different services are being extended through this ECI Net mobile app. So for all stakeholders, either BLOs, EROs, DOs, and all the election, even CVGIL, all things integrated in this one app. So it will be very, very useful for all electoral election related services, informations, etc. So I would like to request through you to all the electors and people in Meghalaya, may please download this ECI Net app, which will be very, very useful for all the purposes, especially during the SIR exercise is ongoing also. So, and we request all the electors during this phase to cooperate with the booth level officer during their visit, carefully fill up the enumeration forms and return the complete form to the VLOs within the prescribed time. So, we would like to appeal all eligible electors on behalf of the entire election machinery of the state and on behalf of Honorable Election Commission of India to participate in this special intensive revision to ensure that the electoral roll remains accurate, complete and up to date, and no eligible elector to be left behind and no ineligible elector to be included in the voter list. Thank you so much. Any such complaint, and we have extended all the BLOs are properly trained. We did proper publicity through different social media platform, advertisements, and even booth level programs also being happening. And BLOs are very, and they are supported with the BLO supervisors are there, AEROs, EROs are there, district machineries are there. So if there is any complaint, people may access, there is 1950, this toll free number, and they may, any complaint they may, if any problem happen, any issue is happen, they may approach to BLO as well as to the other senior official, either supervisor, to AEROs, ERO, DEOs, even including the CEO officers are also. We are here to ensure this process to be conducted hassle-free in very smooth way without having any problem, and to ensure the mandate of Honorable Election Commission of India to make our electoral roll accurate, complete and up to date. So as I already told, whose name is not there might be their parents or grandparents' name we found in the electoral roll of the 2005. So because somebody might become eligible voter, attain 18 years of age in 2010, so who that person's name will not be in the 2005 electoral roll. Then they can give the legacy through that their parents and relatives name will be given. So the column is there and they may fill that list. BLOs basically they are either voters of that area. In around 70% plus cases in Meghalaya, around 80%, the BLOs are the resident or voter of that particular area which is allotted to them. So that is the first criteria we have chosen. And if they are not voters, so they should posted in that particular area. So that should be their serving area. So they should be familiar of that terrain, locality and people. So that is one thing. And as well as there are the BLAs from the political parties, and a good number of BLAs. Recently the political parties, I would like to appreciate, they come forward and initiated this process to appoint BLAs in the state of Meghalaya also. Earlier they have not appointed BLAs so far due to several reasons. So now we are getting all cooperation from the political parties. We have the meeting at the different level and regular we are in touch with them. So any issue, any complaint come across at any level, we will be there with all our team of BLO to the DO and CO office also to facilitate. So field functionaries like the BLO supervisors, ERO, AEROs, they are on the task. So they are looking after this entire process and they will address any issue which will arise. No, anybody who is, it is their responsibility. No person can be voter in more than one place in the India. So anybody, whoever is filling enumeration form, they are giving the declaration ki I am filling this one and I am voter in this part only. So it is an offense if person willingly giving this one in the more than one place, and they may be liable to get the punishment under the relevant. No, it will. After 2005, there are more than around 10 lakh voters increased. So their name is not there in the 2005 voter list. So they can give at least then lineage and the name of their parents or grandparents might be there in the voter list, so that will help.
Sir,
It is whoever are our voters, and they will be given the enumeration form. And as I already told, no one can be voter in more than one place. So it is anybody willingly becoming voter more than keeping more than one epic card in the different places. So the dual voter system through the SIR process, they are not submitting the enumeration form we have come across in the different states, because they can submit in one place. So person can submit their enumeration form in one place, and where they want to remain as at the enumeration phase. They need at least detail of the 2005 electoral roll, either their name or the lineage of their parent or grandparents whosever name is there in the 2005 electoral roll of the Meghalaya, or if they have migrated from other place. So that detail is also available with BLO. So they can give the extract of the somebody might be a person of the Meghalaya residing in Delhi for employment purpose, and he or she become voter in that place. But later on the person shifted back to the Meghalaya, and 2005 might be voter in Delhi. So can get their name shifted in the Meghalaya, but they can find the details or other particulars in the, because it is electoral roll of the different state is also integrated.
but it means even the photo is most important.
So only the thing they have to upload their up-to-date photo, recent photo. If they are filling the form hard copy, then they have to paste, or if they are submitting online, they have to upload.
Sir,
Any such matter once, because all the ground level officer, it is the responsibility assigned to the electoral registration officer to look all the aspects. We are election commission is giving coordination, and we are not only touched with Assam. Somebody might be in the Calcutta or went to Calcutta or went to Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and other places also for the employment and for different purpose they migrated. So here the migration cases are less, but there are the state where SIR already held. There are number of migration issues are also there. So we are coordinating with the election machineries across the country under the supervision, guidance, and the facility provided by Honorable Election Commission of India. So accordingly, all needful things to ensure accurate voter list is being taken. So far now, second day, we provided all round of the training to the BLOs, BLO supervisors, and all election functionaries. Hands-on training in the BLO also been provided. And there might be some network shadow areas, network challenges. So we have taken up with all the telecom service providers, and the higher up level meetings are also been planned. And then in the offline mode also, they may record all that and they may upload subsequently. So all those facilities been given in the BLO. We are in touch with the local authority. Districts also have the meetings with the different local authorities, because they know the people in the village areas, and our BLOs are in touch with them, and they are getting their needful cooperation. Yes. Thank you so much.